Welcome back to Rolling Legends, where wheels meet legacy. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2026 Honda CR-V, and trust me, this isn't just an update, it's a full-on evolution of one of the most beloved compact SUVs ever made. Let's start with the design. At first glance, the 2026 CR-V looks sharper, bolder, and far more athletic than ever before. Honda has taken a sportier, more upscale approach to the exterior, with a longer hood, a wider stance, and a more aggressive front grille. The LED headlights are sleeker, the taillights stretch more dramatically along the rear, and every line feels tighter and more purposeful. The 2026 model sits on Honda's updated global architecture, giving it a lower, more planted feel on the road, and yes, it looks fantastic in motion. Pop the hood, and you'll find Honda still giving buyers solid powertrain options. The standard model is powered by 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine producing around 190 horsepower, paired to a continuously variable transmission, smooth, efficient, and surprisingly responsive. But the real talk of the town is the hybrid version, which continues to get better. Honda's two-motor hybrid system has been re-engineered for 2026 to offer improved fuel economy and better torque delivery. We're talking nearly 204 horsepower, a more direct throttle feel, and the kind of city mileage that makes gas stations jealous. Inside, it's a whole different story, one that speaks to Honda's new philosophy of simplicity and something. The cabin is clean, modern, and surprisingly premium for its class. A new 12.3-inch touchscreen dominates the dash, running Honda's latest infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto standard. The digital gauge cluster is crisp and customizable, and the overall layout feels more intuitive and driver-focused. Physical knobs and buttons are back where they matter, like climate control and volume, and everything else is tucked into a sleek digital interface that doesn't overwhelm. Space is another major win for the 2026 CR-V. Rear seat legroom is among the best in class, and cargo capacity continues to outpace rivals. Whether you're loading up for a weekend road trip or just doing a Costco run, the CR-V's flat loading floor and wide rear opening make things easy. The hybrid trims even offer more usable space than before, thanks to a new battery placement strategy that no longer eats into your trunk. Now, let's talk tech and safety. Honda sensing is now more advanced than ever. The 2026 CR-V comes standard with adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, traffic jam assist, and a much improved blind spot monitoring system. New for this model year is Honda's upgraded front camera and radar system that provides better pedestrian and cyclist detection, especially at intersections, where it really counts. On the road, the CR-V feels more refined. Ride quality is smooth, cabin noise is significantly reduced, and handling is composed, even spirited in the hybrid trim. It's not trying to be a sports SUV, but it does respond with confidence and grace when pushed through corners or during highway merges. Honda has clearly put time into chassis tuning, and it shows. So, who is the 2026 CR-V for? Honestly, almost anyone. It's practical, efficient, safe, and now more fun to drive. Families, commuters, and even weekend warriors will find a lot to love here. With its refreshed styling, improved performance, and smarter tech, the CR-V proves once again why it's a benchmark in the compact SUV segment. If you've been waiting to upgrade, this is the year to do it. And if you're shopping for your first SUV, the 2026 CR-V deserves a spot at the top of your list. Thanks for tuning into Rolling Legends. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss the next ride. Until then, keep the wheels turning and the legends rolling.